In this new series, Beyond Soft Skills, actually, we will be talking about things beyond soft skills and even beyond hard skills. Skills are those ingredients which enhance our personality and which adds strength to our standing in the society. So, in this series, we'll be discussing about things which are much more than soft skills and hard skills that will give us a very strong position in the society, make us very colorful personalities, make us persons who are wanted in the society, who are liked by fellow members in the society, and we are wanted wherever we are. Okay, now soft skills, things like communication skill, etiquette, manners, etc., are some of the examples of soft skills. In addition to one's hard skills could be those strengths which are in one's core subjects. It could be the main courses of studies one had in the college or in the university, and those knowledge are considered as hard skills. So hard skills and soft skills together uh, compose that part of our personality that goes to make us successful in life. But in today's competitive world, where things are changing very fast, we need something much more than soft skills and hard skills. And this I would term as our image building skill. Once we have a very good image, a very strong image, things become easy for us. Take, for example, a young star who is preparing for some interview to get a placement. So, if that person has a good image, then it becomes easier for that person to succeed in the interview and get qualified for the job. So, it is the image which helps her or help him in getting the objectives fulfilled. Now, image cannot be built in one day. It takes years, but it doesn't take very long to damage it. I think it was Warren Buffett who had said it takes 20 years to build an image and it takes 5 seconds to ruin it. Very true. So we should not only build a strong image, but we should also be aware of how to preserve that image, how to save it from disintegration. So in this series of Beyond Soft Skills, we will be discussing these things in details. So the foremost important item of image building is one's character. So character consists of honesty, then accepting failure with grace, integrity, especially financial integrity, loyalty. Then one has to be a man of word or a woman of word, and of all things, if a person has character, then everything else can be kept in the back burner. They are not as important as character is. I'll give you an example. If I have a youngster to work for me and I gave that person 100 rupees to go and buy something, and it costs something around 95 or 96 rupees. So in one case, the youngster comes back and gives me the item which I wanted and just walks away. He does not talk about the price. She or he doesn't give me the cash memo or the voucher, doesn't return if there is any money left, does just discuss about it. But there could be another person who is given the same assignment, the same job. She or he goes to the shop, buys the items, comes back and tells me it costs 97 rupees. And here are the 3 rupees left after buying the thing, and here is the cash memo. It makes a lot of difference. So a person who gives an account of the money given to her or given to him is more trustworthy, more honest, and has more integrity than a person who does not, give an account. You may say 97 rupees spent, 3 rupees left out of 100 rupees. It's a small matter. Well, today it is 3 rupees. Tomorrow it could be 30 rupees. Next day it could be a matter of 300 rupees. And so on. It could be one day 3 lakhs or 3 crore. So a person who is not, reporting about money matters is not a person of integrity. Similarly, accepting failure with grace. A lot of people, when they are successful, they beat their own drums, they blow their trumpet, and let everybody know they have done something great. But when success doesn't come, and there is a failure, and then they are unable to accept it gracefully. They will look for a scapegoat. They will try to blame somebody else for the failure. While when it is success, they are all ready to take the credit, but when it comes to failure, they are not ready to accept it gracefully. This is also a sign of weak character. We should have the courage, any good leader should have the courage to take failure with grace. So these are some of the examples which examples which go to build the image of a person. And as I have told you already, it takes time to build an image. But once a person has a strong image, that person's standing in the society or in the workplace or in the family becomes almost invincible. And the strength that the person derives from this can take her or take him to great heights. So in this series of Beyond Soft Skills, we will be discussing a lot of issues which will be giving us a very strong image. In other words, this is personal public relation. And this peer skill, once we are able to master it, we will be able to work wonders. Thank you very much.